Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Komisi Benta Kejing Rakhie ke World Tourism Day. Haganips Hotel Management hakar punyo truk nailur arajar abusan. Kelamik Syakmat ben Pynkhuid yak benta jong ke Golflink ke bedang hap hau purusam jaka shnong pentorba. Hagan kejing Pynkhuid laidan lang orang ba shnong jaka dor ba shnong pentorba uba Esman Banyang rengkat uba Nicholas J Karnami naka mai migelaya mai pride ubulong uwe ni kirang ba ubujukit kia bah. Hagabi day ba khoi ke suba hagi shnong githau u center in charge jong nips uba Wellborn khar umnoi kinong hikai bat kisamla puli. Kat baga jimbin khoi ki Ñiut bat ki Jaboh jaban kerana Syakmat uba Nicholas bat kisamla puli. Kelalap ya ki jan kinap bat ki Jaboh jaban bat yau mobile number na iwe slip. Marmar uba Nicholas ula phone ni ki Trai berman lumno ya ki Ñiut bela berat sata hagan ni jaka.
Kan long ka ba sikate bentar ada. Kemen kani kan long kasaki. Tadi ka invoice tip dan keteng pada. Sadly dan keteng bias ni dan. Ang iki mentah bagi mani ang ni apa lak siap no. Melap kan dia sakit. Bentuk kata gay mano. Tu bentuk hilalap tu kan bob. Punya wan minta di mano ni tadi. Mereka bentak lo ni kena kat ni. Andam jengmut ayu kan habakut kini ki kena habaki wan ban yara perkut ni kan sung nomor ni nomor ba. Ani kandai kan yuk. Ani jadi kepala suan le. Dusman hab nong no kala ala sula. Saya makor kan dosut nyuk suk kan do buram suk. Ka an ka dong snong. Ikan ni kecing tukok kedai gabah kau ba palimat.
Nikong hi ngaso nai kble rang ba snong jog ni snong ibala kloi bani don lang bani hali singi But ru ai kublai ya iba Nicholas I mai ru balai don lang bangi hani singi but dai lingba jongi hi bla penlong yi bangin poi ban sim ni kini jaka kum koin ni benta ban yo ban rahe ni singi te hakani singi bakar pang kawal tourism de ngasngau ban perpa ba ngidap lagi jingmen ba ka NIPS Silong ringkat ke jingi trailang ban iba Nicholas hakaba ngilayo ikni alat ban wan ban yasim benta hakani jingi Pynkhuid ya kini ka Golflink benta singi bat kini kalong ru kum kawai nak senjam jongi ban kentiu ya ka jingkit kli jongki samla syaka puli ka Trai bat ka jing pentulun ya ka ha jinglong bakhut basuba ha ka imlang ka salang bat ru ha ka kam jungok kai portai te ka phang jong kini ka singi hi kalong kum ka jing pen kemau ni ba kalong ka baron kam ban pene persa ya ka mariang bat ru kum ka jing kentiu ya ka jing ya trailang ha ka imlang salang te ngangit skam baling ba kini ka jingi sim mata jongi hani singi ki sama puli kinang smutu bat kinang simkia kumno ban penne persa ya kemarin bat bonlong ru kinong ilam ha ha kinong ilam ha karoi kapa jong ka khut ka suba
tang kini kitian wa kendian ai kuble fi wat ka jing dan rekat jupi next step kalau ka jing ai museum ini ka senong wat ki baro ki baro sodong jong ni ka senong ka jongi dagam ta ban Pynkhuid ki sodong songkon ha ngiron kam ka jing khoi trep ka jing khoi kamdan di ka jing khoi jikhia ngiron kam ban Pynkhuid ka senong ka thau ngiron kam ban educate ki khna senong ki nong senong ki balik bawan kenapa kalong ka jing khu ka jing rap ban ka jing muntoin ta jokiro mangiron kam ban yarap iki teng dabag su pekai kum tu ki berat kan bamwan lese kan bo kajing dagam ta ki badan saudong tenne dag kloi ban yarap lem iki ban hikai ki kumno ban lekho mo ngin stang sona lagi karon kam ka badan kam kumung sang log stang sona lagi tingin sa sedang sabar buat kata ka bagi dan ka thong bagi ban job ki khot ban nginam artian ba ngin pelong ini kas dong jungi ka senong jungi ka jela hi beroi ka bakhot tam dese kan sa urlong
A blessed World Tourism Day, and what a significant way to go about and celebrate this very auspicious day globally, and by making it more meaningful, just like what Ma'am Dorothy said, you know, as a traveler, we generally see people go and see places, make reels, make videos, and say this and that about whichever place they go through. But what they leave behind is carbon footprints, which perhaps many of us don't even understand what those are. So it's very important that on the occasion of World Tourism Day, we lay focus on the fact that wherever we travel, be it in any part of Meghalaya or across the country or globally, we need to make sure that each and every one of us play a very responsible role as travelers or as just concerned citizens to make sure that first and foremost we don't litter. As we can see right now, we are here at this pristine tourist destination called the Golflinks. If you walk inside the Golflinks after paying 20 rupees, what you see inside is basically a place which is well maintained. However, as you walk out of the Golflinks, it is sad to see that people see the reality of things. We see so much of litter, which is so much of dumping of plastic waste and all kind of garbage. So this talks about a mindset. When you go to Watts Lake, you will not see litter inside, but you will always see litter outside. It's almost like the saying that we keep our home clean or our house clean, yet when we walk out of a compound, well, the story is something else. Hence, since Meghalaya as a state is mostly, or I would say very significantly depending on tourism, we talk about places, we talk about Meghalaya as the most booming tourist destination in the entire country and the world. However, it's sad to say that we are looking at tourism only from the economic point of view. But practically, talking about tourism, there is a huge concern about the lack of waste management that we have in various tourist destinations. So, on this very day, on World Tourism Day, I think it's very important for each and every one of us to highlight that fact that we become messengers of change. Wherever we go, if you see anyone littering, we need to have the courage. We need to dare to speak, to say, stop this. We have with us S. Marbanyang, who is the headman of Panthorba. This gentleman, when he drives his car, he not only watches the road, but he watches all around. If he sees children who are consuming things, say chips, he would stop to tell them, where are you going to dump it? The packet. You know, if he sees children consuming all eatable items, he would talk to them and share with them to say that, please, make sure you dispose your waste responsibly. That people were littering in Sora, in Kadamkla. Sad to say that we take only videos, but we don't dare to speak. I would say rather the person who took that video should have stepped in and should have said to those tourist people to say, hey, why are you doing this? Pick your trash bag, carry your trash bag. But just taking a video is not a solution to the problem. We need to become messengers of change. Hence, I believe that the students of NIPS Institute of Hotel Management today, as we will do this very simple exercise of cleaning the backyard of the golf course, perhaps we will realize in reality that what it's like to keep this beautiful, pristine, the golden eagle of the East, the Shillong Golf Course, clean. I know it's not going to make any difference. I know nothing's going to change. But what I believe is your mindset will change. Kajumbo jiberkat jumpi can change. But kata kalong kabatang kam ba ni don kam kum ki samla. But ni don kam ru bangin long kita bangin la ban lek keleng sodong. Tang ban ring video, ban shna reels. Handrai ban long ru kita ki messenger sabangi ki brio. Ki lek klama kor ki bread Jaboh jaban. Ni dei ban note ban kren namar ni dei ki Trai ri.
Kafit hakalay ban sa Rica October minta usna Hoy 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 hakalay tarik pore henry baje janmiyet unwan te muba bunker kharkung goru kay turba paunam hame galaya hakaso tarik por henry baje janmiyet kandon kajmi ako pyait mis kevo mau batikat ki bakawa shim bentana kino ki jaka kastotir meghalaya karta kandaina du wakat so usne man shajaro kai cloud what ti zona kafi hakalay ban sa Rica October minta usne
Real squad, ya kak tiên là jong pin đâm cam, ya ka bakan kiêu kak tiên khasi, kak tiên là jong, ai kan roi kan pa. Ni don ki kan tiên là jong, belai pat puri, bat penduk ya la kak tiên là jong. Kum kan nuksa, kak kan tiên barikor kamut arts hakak tiên pareng, kak kan tiên lari tipat kamut culture. Kumta, ya ka arts and culture, ngiyo ta ka ktin khasi, barikor bat lariti, ki balong ru ki ktin ban karteng khon, u barikor ka lariti. Lapan mi ta ka Plastik TV, nagamenta ka jingmentoy upat ba.